Hello everybody. I've just recently bought myself a Bambu Labs A1 mini printer. I've started printing a few things for myself, a few things I've designed. One of the things I've designed is this little, I'm not sure what to call it, I'll probably call it a holder. And it's designed to fit into my car and hold a can of air freshener for the car. So it looks pretty good so far for a first design, the first thing I've really designed. But I'll take you out to the car now and I'll show you my car and we'll see how everything fits. So this is the console of my car. It's a 2010 Mitsubishi Triton, and that little square indent there, that's where I wanted to put my can of deodorant or freshener. But it wasn't a very good fit, so I'll show you what I mean. The can itself is round and it doesn't fit very well at all. So I've made this to adapt between the square of the car and the round of the can. So you can see that fits nicely in there. Not too high, pretty good. And then the can just fits on top just like that. And now it's, maybe I could have made this a little bit smaller just to make that a bit tighter. It's actually firm here, so that's really good. But I think it's, for a first go, for a first attempt, I think it's worked out really well. Anyway, there should be a lot more of this sort of stuff coming, so if you're interested, stick around, come back later, and we'll see what else I make. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.